In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Google Sites. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be able to display glowing customer feedback seamlessly on your site, enhancing its credibility and attractiveness. Let's get started. First, we're going to head over to Elfsight. Open your browser and type in dash.elfsight.com. Once you're there, click on the Catalog tab. This is where you can find various widgets and tools that you can add to your website to improve functionality and aesthetics. In the search bar at the top of the page, type the word review. You will see a selection of different types of review widgets pop up. Since we are focusing on Google reviews, locate and select Google reviews from the list to proceed. Next, you will see an option to choose a template for your reviews widget. Select a template that matches your website's look and feel. This is an important step because the design and style of your widget should complement the overall theme of your site. Once you've selected a template, simply click on Continue with this template. This will take you to a page where you can further customize the widget according to your needs. Now you will need to enter the business name and address where the reviews will be gathered from. This allows the widget to fetch and display reviews relevant to your specific location or business identity. You can adjust other settings as you see fit to align with your business requirements and aesthetic preferences. When you're done with customization, click on Publish. You'll notice an option to select a pricing plan. For our purposes, we're choosing the free option. This gives you basic functionalities to add reviews to your site without any expense. Click Select on the free plan to continue. Once selected, you will see an option to copy code. Click on it to copy the embed code of your newly customized reviews widget. Now it's time to integrate this into your Google site. Navigate to your Google site and enter the edit mode. In the toolbar, click on Embed, then switch to the Embed Code tab and paste the code you just copied from Elfsight. This will embed the Google Reviews widget directly onto your page. Before you finish, click on Next after pasting the code. This confirms the insertion of your widget. Finally, click on Insert to place the widget on your desired location within your page. Make sure everything is properly aligned and preview your page to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google Reviews widget to your Google site, enhancing both its credibility and user engagement with authentic customer feedback. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.